Are you looking for the best rollerblades? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best rollerblades on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. K2 Women's Alexis 84 BOA. K2's unique soft boot design makes its inline skates more lightweight and comfortable. We appreciate the Alexis 84 BOA's aluminum frame designed with durability and speed in mind. You can easily adjust the skate to your desired fit via the knob on the front of the skate, which makes putting them on and taking them off fast and simple. The snazzy teal color is a plus too. One Amazon reviewer who gave this pair 5 stars has never skated before and writes that they fit nicely, look good, are easy to adjust and roll smoothly. Note that this soft boot style may not provide the most amount of stability for true beginners. For the men's version, check out the FIT 84 BOA. Wheel size, 84mm, frame material, aluminum, boot type, soft. Number 2. Rollerblade Zetrablade Men's Inline Skates. With a 4.7-star rating across more than 5,000 Amazon reviews, it's safe to say these rollerblades are a solid choice among inline skaters. The top seller has a comfortable soft boot design with a cushion liner as well as a built-in rear brake. While a soft boot may feel less stable, we like that the shell and frame are designed to be lower to the ground so you can feel more in control. One reviewer wrote, "I bought these 2 years ago and they've been great. I've used them well over 600 miles and just now have to replace the wheels." Although these skates are marketed as great for beginners, we think all levels will appreciate the support and comfort the Zetrablade offers. You can also shop the women's Zetrablade, which also has over 5,000 5-star ratings on Amazon. Wheel size, 80mm, frame material, monocoque composite, boot type, soft. Number 3. Roller Derby Women's Aerio Q60 Inline Skates. While a lot of rollerblades can go for a couple $100, Roller Derby offers a more affordable pick, great for skaters shopping on a budget. The Aerio Q60 still has all of the hallmarks we look for in quality skates, including a flexible semi-soft boot and a solid aluminum frame. One standout feature is the interior memory foam padding that will help make you feel even more comfortable during long skate routines. The Amazon bestseller has 3,400 5-star ratings from shoppers who describe the inline skates a great beginner option that is good quality. The men's Aerio Q60 are also under $100, so it's a smart choice for those not looking to make a big commitment. Wheel size, 84mm, frame material, aluminum, boot type, soft. Number 4. Impala Lightspeed Inline Skate. While safety and function should come first when choosing the right rollerblades for your needs, style is also a factor. And these pale blue skates with yellow laces and a hint of light pink are definitely one of the more fashionable options on the market. It has a hard plastic shell with a breathable, padded lining for comfort, and comes with a heel brake that you can add on if needed. The Lightspeed inline skates have a 4.7-star rating on Amazon with 5-star reviews describing them as having a super cute retro look. One satisfied customer did note that it took a day for them to break in the skates even though the manufacturer claims there is no break-in period. Wheel size, 72mm, frame material, plastic, boot type, hard. Number 5. Rollerblades Women's Macroblade 80. If you're just starting out, it's important to do the research so you can find an inline skate that's comfortable and supportive. The Macroblade 80 is designed with entry-level and casual skaters in mind. A high cuff, power strap and lace closure system work to improve security and balance while skating. Padding inside improves comfort and a breathable tongue will help keep your feet cool as you build up a sweat. While some online reviewers love the fit, others report that the lacing makes it difficult for them to get snug enough around their ankles. One 5-star reviewer writes, "The brake worked well for slowing my speed when my dog got going too fast, and there are a lot of adjustments you can make to make the boot fit just right and stabilize your ankles." We appreciate the rear brake as some shoppers do note the large wheels can be fast. The men's Macroblade 80 is Amazon's choice with a 4.6 rating. Wheel size, 80mm, frame material, aluminum, boot type, soft. Number 6. Powerslide PS Next Core 80 Skate Size. Meanwhile, if you've been skating for a few years or find yourself craving a challenge, consider splurging on a pair of rollerblades designed for intermediate or advanced skaters. While these skates by Powerslide are around $300, the upgrade may be worth it for those logging a lot of skating time. On top of a rigid aluminum frame and grippy wheels, the next Core 80 skates also have memory foam padding for built-in comfort. These are the most expensive rollerblades on our list, but again, if you're a dedicated skater, purchasing a durable pair of skates will pay off in the long run, or should we say long skate. Wheel size, 80mm, frame material, aluminum, boot type, hard. Number 7. Liku Professional Inline Skates. These inline skates are loaded with a ton of features, all for about $100. Plus, they have over 2,500 5-star Amazon reviews that vouch for their high performance. One reviewer who got back into rollerblading after 15 years writes, "I love how tight I can make these. It provides great stability for my hypermobile ankles. We like that the skates have a safety buckle on top of a strap and lace system, as well as ventilation holes in the boot for breathability. The skates come with removable and washable memory foam padding as well as a rear brake." Some Amazon customers did find the wheels and bearings to not be of the best quality, which may be due to the slightly lower price tag. Wheel size, 80mm, frame material, aluminum alloy, boot type, hard.